What helps a fast-moving manufacturing site catch safety risks before they grow? Digital safety audit apps speed up inspections, improve compliance, and replace slow paper reporting with smarter workflows. Here are 5 apps and the key features that set them apart. Manufacturing environments include moving machinery, electrical systems, chemicals, and heavy equipment. Digital audit apps help managers identify hazards early, improve communication across departments, and maintain compliance. They also make inspections faster, standardize checklists, track issues in real time, and reduce manual reporting errors through automated reporting. eAuditor leads by combining ease of use with powerful inspection tools for factories, warehouses, and production facilities. Teams can complete inspections from mobile devices, even offline, while managers receive instant updates and detailed reports in real time. It also offers custom checklists, photo and video evidence, automated reporting, and intuitive workflows that support faster adoption. eAuditor ProSafe is built for manufacturing facilities that need detailed reporting. It supports scheduled audits, hazard identification, digital signatures, incident reporting tools, and compliance trend monitoring across multiple devices. SafetyMint focuses on workplace safety management with risk assessment modules, incident management, safety observation reporting, and corrective actions assigned directly from inspection reports. InspectAll provides centralized inspection management for audits, preventive maintenance, and asset inspections from one cloud-based platform. Its automated workflows support field inspections across multiple locations. Along with work order management, asset monitoring, and automated notifications, AuditBricks emphasizes quick reporting and simple workflows with digital inspection forms, real-time reporting, and multi-location support. You should test whether the software fits daily operations before full deployment. Prioritize usability and mobile access, especially offline functionality. Then check for custom checklists, reporting, and corrective action tools, plus integration with existing systems and flexible pricing. The strongest apps combine speed, reliability, and ease of use for modern manufacturing facilities. Among these options, eAuditor stands out for its balance of simplicity, flexibility, and performance. Smarter digital inspections can help build safer and more efficient workplaces.